Everybody ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Bottom of swell.
Launch.
You're in the sand.
Good.
Minus
Climbing.
Wood straightening out.
Holding the
Minus
winch.
5. Okay, you're at
Pay
0
out.
elevation angle, you're in payout, and the engagement sensor says engage.
Releasing
Go
the
for it.
winch.
Winch velocity is increasing.
Clear.
Elevation angle
There
is
she
stable,
goes.
9, looking good.
You. Good job.
This is so
10
familiar.
degree elevation angle,
It looks higher.
wind speed 2 meters per second nominal.
Okay, looks healthy. No saturations, tension good.
Tether elevation was 9 and coming down. Looks
Yeah.
well behaved.
Looks good.
Super stable hover.
X2 there looks good too.
As here.
As here.
No
Yeah, we're good.
saturations, healthy kite. 6 inverters.
Rob, you got the flight checklist?
Yep.
Elevation angle 6.5, as commended.
It is beautiful.
Periodic tension, elevation, wind calls.
Wow.
Wind is up to
Payout
10.
100. Side block here. Elevation angle stable, 7 degrees, looking good.
A little bit of a tether droop there for a sec.
Let's see, yaw moment is centered. We're exiting a pretty big pitch forward moment.
What's the
Or
tension?
no, tension
10.
is 10.
It seems like we would be against the pitch forward limit, this much wind, right?
Yeah, wind is 10.
A little bit of a tension oscillation.
Elevation angle looks good though.
Okay, I'm seeing some build.
I see it on tension as well.
It's
a sawtooth.
It's maybe not
We've
building.
seen this, yeah, we've seen this.
Payout 200. Looks good.
It's a normal sawtooth.
And everything is going super.
Yeah.
Okay, that's healthy.
The vessel don't care. It's pitched like 0.4 degrees.
Put enough ballast in it.
Need a bigger kite.
GPS agreement improved greatly.
Really?
GPS diffs are between the hover and wingtips is less than half a meter.
Payout 250.
The Tobin
Looking
theory.
good.
Showing some evidence finally.
Kite looks healthy. Tension is 10. There's a sawtooth, but it's not building.
It's not scary.
They're both Wi-Fi's.
Small oscillations, elevation angle, but it's so far so good.
Alright, altitude's 100.
Payout crossing 300-ish soon.
Azimuth well behaved on the ground station. Looks good.
Not bad, huh?
So pretty.
It's weird being upwind of it.
Yeah.
For finally. Okay, our checks at the end of this were hover angles look decent and we've got all the inverters, right?
Correct.
Payout 350.
I can report 6 inverters. Tension up to 12 looks good. Wind is at 10.
Yeah, in there. Payout 400. Elevation angle 7.5. Stable, looking good. Winch is slowing down. Nominal speed, half a turn to go. Prior to transform.
Winch slowed down.
Yeah.
GSG inverters look good. Isolation.
Altitude's 150.
They were there to put it behind.
Oh, we killed the kite cam, right?
Yes.
The tail
Yes,
cam.
I did. Yep.
Can you tell me what that roll is? Like nothing, right?
It's 12, minus 12. It's good.
Okay.
There's a
How's
very
the tether pitch angle?
tether pitch is minus 35 and steady.
Yeah, okay. Looks kind of high. But
It's not growing. It's growing very slowly. Maybe it's minus 40 now.
Elevation angle was 5, increasing
Back
a
to
little
minus
bit.
37. Looks good.
Okay, you prep transform up.
Okay, hover angles look sane. Tobin, do they look sane?
Elevation angle 7 degrees, 6.5-ish.
it looks sane to me.
Okay, we're gonna say they're sane.
No
No
gates.
gates.
No
Can
gates.
continue
Continuing to
to above
transform?
0.8.
We're at transform.
Just waiting for transform.
Didn't I
Winch
get
is
it?
going. Yep.
I think I
Winch
got
is
it.
going.
How's D-twist?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Tether does disengage, looking good.
Okay,
Yes,
so
what's
many
Simone?
saturations.
Oh no, wait, sorry. We gotta get to the bubble.
Okay, D-twist
I'll
is
scroll
going.
down for you.
D-twist is going, looking good.
Sorry, just coming in here, you're good.
We're okay, Robbie.
Really?
Yeah. Almost at the first pause.
We can get there. I think that's fine.
Alright.
Okay, first pause. Elevation angle from the GSG, 8 degrees.
Okay.
That checks out.
Yeah, I think it checks out.
Okay, we're under the wings. Ready to slew?
Ready?
Okay, slewing.
Transition snowing.
Clear the level lines.
Okay, healthy attention, good. No saturations.
Elevation angle looking good.
It's good. The wind direction is constant, which means we're properly compensating for the rotation of the platform.
The winch and the D-twist are going, looking good.
Wind is 9.6.
Just going to
Yeah,
get over, it's gonna
beautiful.
get better. This is good.
We have 6 inverters.
How do you know? Just by the voltage?
Yeah.
Alright, almost there.
I'll do the real check.
It's gonna go to full length automatically. There it is.
Powerful bend.
Dropping, moving right. The norm.
D-twist is good.
Ready for Crosswind monitor?
Elevation angles were red for a bit, but now it's getting back.
Yeah, it just sagged a little bit as it dropped
Yeah.
altitude there.
Now they show 5.
We're waiting for speed and Y velocity. Those sound kind of similar, don't they?
No
No
gates.
gates.
Crosswind monitor is on.
Good to go?
Continue and ready. Throttle above 0.8.
Okay.
These
Use
are good.
Excel.
Inverters, yeah. Inverters look good.
Over Excel.
Back into playbook.
Okay,
Looks
guys, on
good.
TransIn monitor.
Looks good.
Pitch forward.
Looks
Beautiful.
good.
Oh,
Perfect.
D-twist following.
Perfect. Crosswind normal.
Yeah. That was a nice gradual return to tether sphere.
Alright. D-twist looking
Making
good.
the turn. Air angles look super.
3 o'clock.
Super.
Wind is
Oh, look at
9.7.
that dude go. 9 o'clock. What was the minimum altitude there?
I'll take a look.
Nazi air looking good.
Air angles great.
90.
That's
90
lower than I
minutes
would have
minimum.
expected. Hey, the buoy's rocking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kite looks healthy. Air
Go
angles
down
look
for
good.
the second.
Oh, there's some resonance here on the D-twist, but it's looking okay. That's interesting. I've not seen that
Oh
before.
boy.
Uh-oh.
How freaked are you guys?
Not.
No, continue for now.
Okay, sorry. Alright, rudder is not working hard at all.
Azimuth error is looking good.
Servos look great.
I wonder what that is.
Yeah.
How's our
Like,
path
I'd
there?
be worried about control instability there.
But the command is like
Pather is
Oh,
fine.
command and
It's
observe,
like,
so the D-twist
you
is
can
following
see
its
it.
command.
But remember,
Okay,
we have this
great.
unwanted feedback potential.
Seems like the
from
first loop was a little
the
low.
code
but-
thing.
yeah.
But then,
Now,
that's
now it
looking
is
good.
110.
Okay.
Kite looks healthy. We still got all our inverters.
Oh, we were slewing azimuth for a bit.
Servos look fine.
How much have we moved the buoy?
The buoy is moved 40 meters ish.
Wow. Okay.
Maybe 50 meters.
That's
Totally.
good to
So
know.
there's some hypotenuse there.
So we did have an azimuth slew.
Yeah.
Right there. Now it's
So it looks
stopping
good,
it.
right?
Yeah, this looks great.
Yeah, the buoy is moving north and south at up to 1.5 meters per second. Same east to west.
Alright, how are your arrow angles?
They're beautiful.
Nice.
Servos look great.
Okay. All the